Hi everyone, I just thought I'd make a quick video here. As you can tell, I have 4 pods here empty, and I have 2 of them fully grown. I don't know, I kind of let this one go, and I forgot to put more water in it, so these 4 kind of died, and these 2 recovered quite nice. And as you can tell, they're in flower mode, but they're not underneath the light directly. So I had this crazy idea to see if there's any way I can actually take cuttings from this plant and do the craziest thing ever. Just stick them straight into the Aerogarden pod directly as it sits in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop it straight into the pod as is. I filled the reservoir right up with water, and I put fresh fertilizer in there to get the ball started. So let's do the craziest thing ever, and let's take some cuttings straight from the plant and pop them right in there. I have one with the soil or the sponge still in there, so I'm going to actually stick it right into the sponge and see if that even makes a difference. And then what'll happen is let's give this a try, and next video I'll show you the results if this thing even starts to grow. So let's get on to it. All right, I'm really sorry guys, but I thought I hit record and I did take the clippings. I made the whole video, and then I look at my recorder and then I'm like, oh no, I just pushed the button. I guess it didn't read my finger. So you guys missed the entire clipping part, but I'm gonna just go over it and let you guys know what I did, because I did cut this plant and I put the pieces, as you can see, right into the Aerogarden directly so that it grows. So if I do grab one, you see how it sits in here. I just stuck it pretty much loose right into the whole thing. So right after I took the cutting from the plant, I just grabbed it. I cut all the leaves up to the height that it's going to sit into the reservoir, and all I did was just stick it in there just like that. And I did 4 cuttings. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This one here, I just jammed it straight into the pod, and it didn't go into the sponge, it went past it. So I have 4 new plants taken off from there, and I cut all the flowers off, so nothing is in flower. So now I just got to keep an eye on this plant and make sure that it grows and it does not flower until I pull it out and I see some roots growing. All the little fibers, by the way, on the tomato plants, you can see all the little fibers. Those are all going to be roots if you give it a water source. So if this is sitting in water and the plant needs to make roots, it will. So that's it. So I'll let you guys know how it grows. I'll keep the timelines on the video as well. And let me know if you guys have ever done this. It beats the method of picking seeds out of a tomato and starting the entire process from scratch. I'm gonna see if this method works in the Aerogarden, and drop some comments. Let me know if you guys have done this, and if it works, this is probably my new method of growing directly from the mother plant versus me starting from scratch. All right guys, I'll catch you on the next one, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you haven't to my YouTube channel. Bye now.